So I think this was about the second or third year that we've done the market stand, but basically it's all from the student farm. Interns drive it over the day of, the produce that me and Lily picked out that week.
And some of it also comes from the Schreier Pocket Garden or the Rooftop Garden, which are two student-led gardens that are on campus.
We look it over just to make sure everything's good. We weigh it, and then we bring it over here, set it up, and just have people dig in. The beginning of the semester, we had a lot of tomatoes because that was like a hot commodity. By the end, it was mostly kind of like leafy green.
We'll have lettuce, and we'll have some broccoli, kale, collard greens, peppers, bell peppers.
A little bit different every week, but yeah, it was really awesome.
There's a lot of food insecurity on campus, and our goal with the market stand is just to make sure that everybody has something to eat.
Really kind of thought doing it as pay what you can would help with maybe the food insecurity that is on campus. So whether having like lettuce at $5, it's like literally whatever you have in your pocket, whether that's a penny or nothing. Just if you want some fresh produce, grab it. It's not us trying to make a profit off anything. It's just us trying to give back to the Penn State community as much as we can.
Yeah, I think it's just a great way to encourage people to get what they need and not really feel bad about not being able to pay full price. We provide like recipes and things that are healthy. If people come up to the stand, they'll ask, how do I prepare this? Like, I've never seen this funky veggie before. I really like answering people's questions about how to cook the vegetables, and I think that helps them feel more comfortable when approaching, how do I cook a healthier food, or how do I make a meal out of this vegetable, which I think promotes sort of a healthier lifestyle.
I think just being able to buy and eat local produce and food is such a great way. Like, not only do you feel good about giving back to your community and knowing where your food comes from, but I mean, I know the phrase is cheesy, but I feel like local food does taste better. It's awesome knowing that hands from your community were the ones that were growing and caring for that food that you get to eat. It's learning about food insecurity on campus and how important it is to give back to your community as much as you can. I think that's a great experience for everyone. Just learning more about where your food's coming from, how it's being made, and just fostering that community with people, being able to kind of come together and talk about, hey, this is a really, really great thing that we're doing. This is something that is honestly bigger than any of us.